from the beginning. Really nice. Really nice. I love this material. Also in the mouse, without doing anything, I make it dry in with its HTE. And now you know exactly what to do in your layering. After one firing, you make such drums. Now we go to the technical part, our daily work. The preparation of the framework I do completely different. The preparation of the framework, I don't use adhesive or some paste. I do it in another way. My way to do it is this way. I stain my framework with stain paste and glaze powder. And so I have on my framework everything. This is a white zirconia. A white zirconia after one firing. And I do it on Lisi, Emax, Lisi, I do it like this. And I powder it. I powder it with the value 2 of Ferraceram 750. The value 2 of Ferraceram has a lot of fluorescence inside. And a little bit powder, like you put pepper or salt on your steak. And you have this on your framework. A lot of fluorescence. A lot of fluorescence. And it's so important that the fluorescence comes from inside and not from outside. And also I can color the framework similar to my shade guide. And all this is possible with the universal stains of the Ferraceram system. Really good stains. I mix it with a little bit powder. In the afternoon I have a hands-on demonstration. I show how I work with the framework. And then I can start to make the grounds. The idea behind this system is this. It's so much to read, so much to know, and it's very easy. The idea behind this, it's technical, perfect ceramic. The lucid structure inside this ceramic, you will not have chipping, nothing. After 10 firings, no chipping, nothing. The opalescence in the ceramic, here you see it again. Chipping is a thing of the past, yes. The opalescence and the fluorescence are coming from the inside. And the opalescence powders have in the mouth so natural look. Really, it's amazing. Also, the shrinkage is less at this new ceramic. You have not much shrinkage, less firings. And the only ceramic in the world you can go up with 100 degrees for firing. 100 degrees, and the firing time is really short. Short firing time. And again, chipping and cracks are a thing of the past. For me, much more important is from my teacher, the Paul Fichter's matrix concept, an amazing layering concept. The value powder is for me important. The dentine and its mixtures. I will take more about the dentine. It changed a lot in my mind. And the opalescent powder. These are the powder I use out of the system. And I work with this powders, all my cases I do with these powders. So we start now with my dentine. My dentine every time is 3 different dentines. Every time 3. It's not that you do one dentine and one enamel and everything is perfect. No, you need, in my opinion, 3 dentines. Different kind of dentines. This is the value powder, and you see on the right side down. This is the opalescence of this powder. Value 1 to value 4. Different, no, not opalescence, fluorescence. Different fluorescences and different transparencies. Only the OS powder here. On the left, it's only OS and just a little bit light. And also this layering is made with OS and a little bit clear. Nothing more. Again, the opalescence of the ceramic. These are the opal ceramics from Kulzer. A little bit ancha, but it's one bake, one layering, only 3-4 powders, and you have this result. The same here. It's one crown. It's not the perfect shape now, but it's internal staining, the color is right. This is okay. These are one fact of 100 reasons I love Ferroceramic. The opalescence and the value. No other system has value powder inside. Now I show you a way to your daily work in the lab, what I do sometimes when the patient is coming. I make a proof. The proof is for me to control the furnace, to have the right temperature during the firing. My personality layering map gives the patient a good feeling, this proof, and it's a documentation. And this is a proof now. Very fast I layer it, and I see under fire the temperature is too less, and here the right temperature. And this is only the chroma dentine, the dentine OS, look, amazing color, this OS, and this is the normal S color. I make it very fast, 10 minutes, fire it, and then I put it in the mouth of the patient to check if I'm right or not right. A new way to take shades, and you can earn money with this proof. You can earn money because you do something and the patient said, oh my god, they invest a lot in my color and do this. Here for this crown, I make before this proof, and I know exactly these powders are inside my crown. I knew it before, and so I can work. Try it to do it very fast. These are also, it's only without S, only dentine and clear, nothing more inside. One Maryland bridge, only one single every time. The single tooth is the most difficult you must do. It's difficult. But you can get really good results with this opalescence powder in every light. But you know guys, I'm still learning. I'm still learning, and I learned a lot. The last half year, I was thinking about such colors here. What color is this? What crown should I make when I saw this tooth? It has nothing inside. It's a lot of dentine. I see no enamel in this tooth. I see only dentine, and a little bit here, OT eyes or OT blue. Nothing more is inside. So, this is now the new way I want to do the layerings, and I want to tell you, is only dentine. This is only dentine again. It's chroma dentine. I mix it with ingresser, something opaque, and this, then it's dentine. The normal dentine, and now it comes my transition dentine. And think about this when you do a layering. Make a mix with dentine and clear, or OT1. Dentine and clear, half, 50%. 50% dentine and 50% clear. And you have such a result. And on this dentine, I grade my mamelos and everything. With the window around. This coming out, and here's the brown build up, only dentine, transition dentine, and a little bit enamel. And even here you see the dentine, the transition dentine. Think about this. And sometimes I make also internal staining. Internal staining is a really nice tool to get effects inside. I don't stain outside the crown. It looks on the model good. For some pigs it's good, but in the mouth it's not very good. You see this? It's a very fast firing. You can create cracks, you create everything. These are two veneers, veneer case, And it's internal staining inside, nothing more. I can do everything with internal staining and not invest too much. Also very good. In the system, the universal stains are really good. Next case, it's on Emacs, and it's one bake. Looks really pretty good in my opinion. Or this crown, one tooth in the front. It's about dentin. It's about this transition dentin and opalescence powder. One veneer. And I've done it. Chroma dentin, dentin, transition dentin. And then just a little bit OTIs, OS4, OT Amber, and clear. Here is the OT Amber. And I rub the OT Amber with 45 degrees from behind. And the system here as a rub gives you an halo effect for free. You see everything. This is the case on Emacs. Another case again at Central. And I've done it in the same way. I show you now the powders which are inside. Chroma dentin, dentin, transition dentin, value 1 in the middle, OT1, chroma dentin as a marmalade, clear, S2 and S1. Nothing more in this ground. And look how the outcome is. Zack. I like a lot. So you see, we work every day and the patients are coming to have wishes. What we want to do, this patient was coming, I want to have only white tools, no space between, nothing. It's only dentin, dentin, dentin again. I talk a lot about dentin and enamel, nothing more. This mixed dentin and 50% clear. Maryland Bridge, another case. Every time here it stops a little bit. Now it comes. That's it. Now very short, 6 minutes, about monolithic rounds. How much time we invest to create a cheap round? And a lot of money we invest. These are some grounds from the past, now it's much better. But minimum, you go 3 times in the furnace, 2-3 times. You have a lot to do. When the doctor grinding a little bit of occlusion, it must go back to the lab to stain or polish again. It's not a cheap ground. And I ask me every time why. For sure, the materials are better and better and better. The translucent zirconia for monolithic rounds, but it's zircon. Now I show you my way with the Dima ML blank. Different colors like this. Coming out like this. I stain it like I told you before. I have less time to design because I designed only a framework with 0.5 millimeter layering thickness, nothing more. It has, in my more natural look, you will see, win-win together with the doctor, win-win. I'm very free to calculate the price in this case, and for me very important.